Hey guys, this is Pokemon Card 99 here, and today I got something in the mail that I'm excited to open. I've been waiting for this thing for quite a while. I've been waiting for this on eBay to keep going lower and lower to a point to where I felt like it was an appropriate price to buy. I'm super stoked about this, so I'm going to get into it pretty quick, and here we go. Alright, package here. Alright. Hope I don't cut anything valuable in there. Alright, let's see which way it's facing. Okay. Well, you see that it is a gold label. Look at the back there before we view it. Pretty flawless. Man, there it is, completely flawless. All right, here we go. And the card is, boom. A Hidden Fates Shiny Vault Shiny Full Art Charizard. Gem Mint 9.5. And the only reason why I got 9.5 is because of that centering is a 9. Everything else is a 10. You got that 10 corners, 10 surface, 10 edges, and the 9 centering. I don't know why that centering doesn't look bad to me at all. Take a look at it overall. So I might be sending this into PSA to get graded. I'm sure it'll come back a 10. But nevertheless, it is a Gem Mint Shiny Charizard. Beautiful card. Alright guys, just a quick video. Thanks for watching.